Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up Paw Patrol voices on the Waze app. But before I do that, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so first open up the Waze app on your mobile device and ensure you're logged into your profile. Next, tap on the menu icon in the top left hand corner of the screen and then tap on Settings. Next, tap on Voice and Sound, then tap where it says Waze Voice. And here you need to scroll down until you get to the Paw Patrol option. So check that one. And now all of your navigation and voice directions will be said by the Paw Patrol characters. And that's what it takes to set up Paw Patrol voices on the Waze app. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.